I frequently tell people about how dedicated to quality Marathon really is. Marathon goes the extra mile to um, build a fully complete coach, especially in the areas that you may never even see. We like to make everything look as if it was a showpiece, all the way from the wiring harnesses throughout the coach to the insides of the cabinets. We really like to make everything complete. My name is Colin Dietz. I am a technician and delivery specialist, and I've worked at Marathon for 5 years. I am a technician here at the shop. I also do all of our coach deliveries here and on the road, and I frequently travel a lot to shows and events we have to support the sales department and also for our mobile service that we offer. It'd be hard for me to pinpoint a specific project. I like doing pretty much everything, but I really enjoy trying new things that I have not done yet. Typical delivery usually takes a full day to a day and a half. The reason is because we really like to focus on making sure you have a full, thorough, detailed delivery, so at the end of the day you are very comfortable with your coach. When you initially take delivery of your bus, stay in our campground for a day or two. Each one of our facilities has a full hookup campground for our customers to stay at whenever they need or want. Their first reaction to their new bus is always awesome to see. I love seeing how excited people get for their new coaches because I share that same passion as they do. And I also love getting to know our customers. All our customers are great people, and most of them have actually become friends over the years.